snakes in Ghana's ecosystem brings a balance. You see, snakes kill and eat rodents and other pests that cause harm to a lot of agriculture produce. These pests and rodents worry households. They spread diseases to crops and also human beings. So when there are snakes, they kill these rodents and pests, thereby reducing or eliminating the impact of these rodents and pests on humans and agriculture. For that matter, fear-driven killings of snakes, that is to mean if we do not get the right information about snakes and think that all snakes in Ghana are venomous, and for that matter, we are driven by fear to kill them, we are thereby bringing imbalance into Ghana's ecosystem. And the more we kill these snakes, we are helping these rodents and these pests to thrive and affect agriculture produce, which will go a long way to impact our food security. So we need snakes to make our ecosystem balanced.